Wash and care. How to wash your GORE-TEX gloves. GORE-TEX products are made to last, but sometimes they need a little help. To maintain your product's excellent performance, it's important to know how to take care of it. Today, we're going to show you how to wash your GORE-TEX gloves and share care tips on how you can extend the useful life of your gloves. What's good for your hands is good for the environment. Washing your GORE-TEX gloves is a simple process that you can easily do at home. The process varies slightly depending on whether your gloves contain leather parts or not. Step 1. Wash. Step 2. Dry. Step 3. Reapply. First step. Check the care instructions on the inside of your GORE-TEX gloves. Before washing, make sure both the outside and inside are free of heavy grit and dirt. Double-check the hand and finger cavities. Shaking and rubbing will get most dirt loose. If you notice any heavy stains, use a pre-wash treatment while following the care instructions closely. It's a good idea to double rinse once you're done to ensure that all stain remover is removed. We always recommend hand washing your GORE-TEX gloves. Stay away from bleaches or fabric softeners, as these could damage your gloves and impair water resistance. Hand wash your GORE-TEX gloves in lukewarm water using a small amount of household liquid laundry detergent. No special detergent required. Make sure you fully submerge each individual glove into the water, gently rubbing the outside until all parts are clean. Note: gloves made of synthetic fabrics may be machine washed, depending on the care instructions. We always recommend using a laundry net bag to avoid harm to buckles, zips, and loose bits. GORE-TEX gloves with leather parts require special treatment and should be washed less frequently. Always read the care instructions before starting. Go ahead and wear the glove while washing it. Simply apply a small amount of soap-free detergent to lukewarm water and get started. Take the glove off to wash the inside without flipping it inside out. When you're done, avoid wringing or netting your GORE-TEX gloves. To dry your GORE-TEX gloves, squeeze the water out, starting from the fingertips moving down to the wrist. Remember, don't wring your gloves. Another option is to wrap the gloves in a towel. By pressing gently, the excess water will soak into the towel. Tip: avoid placing damp gloves on other garments. Dyed leather tends to leave stains when wet. Some gloves can be tumble-dried if the care instructions indicate so, but never leave your gloves in the sun or on a heater to dry. When your GORE-TEX gloves are half dry, put them on and make a fist. Then, once they're fully dry, put them on again and gently net them to soften and improve their fit. This is especially recommended for leather gloves. After some time, you might notice that water doesn't bead or run off your GORE-TEX gloves as it used to. It might be time for the Durable Water Repellency (DWR) layer on the outer fabric of your gloves to be reapplied. To restore the waterproofing layer of your textile GORE-TEX gloves, use a water-based spray-on restorative and follow the care instructions. Make sure to apply between the fingers and other difficult-to-reach areas too. Note: GORE-TEX gloves with leather parts should be completely dry before applying a suitable water-repellent treatment. Avoid wax or fat-based products to treat the leather, as they might reduce breathability. Thank you for watching, and take care. Want to learn more? Visit GORE-TEX.com.